Many students are turning to e-commerce as a way to earn money while balancing their studies. It's possible to earn $5,000 or more per month with the right strategy. E-commerce is the buying and selling of goods online. Focus on high-demand products, effective marketing, and scaling your business. For students, platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, and Amazon are popular choices for selling online. Starting an e-commerce store usually costs between $200 to $500 for setup and ads. With dropshipping, costs reduce significantly. You can research trending products using Google Trends, AliExpress, or Amazon bestsellers. Dropshipping platforms can connect you with suppliers. To achieve $5,000 a month, use effective marketing strategies such as social media, influencer partnerships, email marketing, and SEO. As a student, you can dedicate 10 to 15 hours per week to your business for research, management, and marketing. Focus on high-demand products with good profit margins, such as eco-friendly goods, fitness gear, or digital products. Yes, many students earn $5,000 or more with e-commerce. Effective marketing and understanding their audience are key. Challenges include competition and customer service. Stand out by focusing on a niche and automate tasks where possible. Start small, focus on customer experience, automate tasks, and be patient as you grow your e-commerce business. E-commerce is a great opportunity for students to earn while studying. Build a profitable online business with the right approach.